In the wake of a devastating lightning strike that claimed the lives of 3 young boys in Kantenture village, Kavango East Regional Governor Hamunyera Hambyuka has pledged full government support to the grieving family, calling the tragedy a national disaster. Hambyuka visited the bereaved family yesterday, 8 April, a week after the tragic incident occurred, and delivered a heartfelt message. "I came with a message because this tragic incident happened. We, the regional leadership, had to report to the President and Prime Minister. They instructed us to come and observe the situation. We are here to mourn with the family and also be able to assess how government can assist." These images displayed are the remains of the thatched hut.